Hi guys and welcome to today's live internet trading. So right now I've short sold ICICI GI in 1078 in the market level around 1078 to 1079 levels now. So plan to take the target up to like 5 to 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. And guys, before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel to see the live updates of the daily trades. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform now. So you can see today the market opening is around 0.15% up today when the market opened. I mean, not much of a bullish or bearish here, just an normal opening around 17,200 levels. And right now you can see the market is trading around 17,170. So yes, so this is how the market has opened, and this is the morning session. It's around 9 25 somewhere around now. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. And you can see in the market depth there's not much of a difference in the buying or selling here, so it's almost the same. So as the stock has broken some of the main support level here, so that's why I've decided to go short selling. Okay, and if you guys want to learn this techniques of selecting the stock and making a proper entry like this, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you guys everything to make consistent profit in intraday trading. If you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the whole concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators required. These are the unique strategies which are very working. Okay, and also it's a one-time payment and you get lifetime support, and I'll be guiding you every single day in live market to make constant profit in intraday trading once you join us today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, we are back to the trading, and now you can see the stock has made a low of 1072.80, and again it has bounced back. Yes, the volatility is a bit high, so you can see ICICI stock is very volatile, and you can see the previous day also in the chart that it was very bearish. I mean, it has went up and it has come down again. So, and today also you can see the first 15 minutes candle here, it is looking as a bit bearish. Okay, so that's why I decided to go short selling here and plan to take that target soon. So we are almost hit the target. It has made a low of 1072.80. so once it touches 1072, or once again it comes down to 1072.50 somewhere, I just take my exit with 5 to 6 points is what I am guessing. Okay, so yes, that will be my exit point, guys. Again, once it comes back again to 1072 levels, I'll just exit. So yes, as the stock is 1000 rupees priced, so yes, the volatility will be quick and more here. So 3 to 4 points up and down will be very easy for this kind of stocks. Okay, so you need to see on that also. So that's why I'm still holding it. So again, it's trading around 1074 now. So 1075, 1074, you can see the fluctuation is a bit high here in this stock, but anyways, I guess we are on a safe side here. And also you can see at the top left, the market has come down now, some from 17,200 levels to 17,130 levels here. So almost 70 points down it has come again. So you can see the market is minus 0. 12 now, which was in the positive. Okay, so yes, 1074.50, it is coming down again. 1073. So guys, yes, it is coming to the levels, I guess, and I think I should take the exit now. So yes, if you guys wish to get the live market update and guidance from me, the same trade what I take and everything, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and take the course, and I'll guide you everything to make constant profit in intraday trading. Okay, so yes, you can continue to see the live trade now, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys about the trade. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a low of 1072.35. I short sold somewhere around 1078. It came down and I took the exit, and later it went back, it recovered. So anyways, I was able to book like 5 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of ICICI GI. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay. So if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.